72 for 3 after 10. Run rate of 7.2. The Karnataka Bulldozers would be looking to get at least another 20 runs more than the run rate they're going at. They need to get to about 160. If they continue at this run, they'll get to about 145, but they'll be looking at about 160, 170. That, I think, would be a fighting total on this pitch and this outfield.
True, pretty handsome on drive. Only for a single, though. Pradeep's beginning to look a little better. Shaky when he started out, just like almost everybody is. There's Madhuri in the middle again. Ashok Kenny, the owner of the team. And Ambarish to the right. What a huge star he is. Very respected in the South. Brilliant career. Sudeep, the skipper, is at the back. Obviously not particularly happy because he would expect a little more from the top three bats. They're back in the pavilion.
Well bowled. I think that's a little harsh. I think that's a little harsh.
Well, he does have the line as a visual check, and it looks like it might have just gone beyond that. So I'm going to be with the umpire on this one. There we go. Yeah, a little harsh.
Oh, no, that's harsh.
Not
that
this one,
harsh.
though. Not this one.
Well, not this one. This was undoubtedly a wide, but the earlier one was a little harsh.
Yep, the replays proved you right. There we go. This, of course, is the next one, drifting way down. Just a slight lull in play for the spectators here. But already they've had plenty of action, a cliffhanger to begin with, as the debutants, Kerala Strikers, went down in the final over to Chennai Rhinos, who had to chase only 113. They made a hash of it and just about fell over the line. And they have the 2 points from that match. And this one, of course, was billed as the big one, late night match. The local team, Telugu Warriors, have done very well to prize out the top three from the Karnataka Bulldozers.
Intent shown, steps out, hits it to long off, just a single. But this is what I like to see, intent. There's the captain of the Karnataka Bulldozers, Sudeep, showing us the victory sign. He seems to be in a confident mood.
He's a good actor.
But he should be confident. His team were undoubtedly the most consistent team of CCL Season 1. They started off with a bang in Season 2. This one just going down the leg side.
The appeal is coming from the skipper outside the field. Well down leg, Venkatesh. Still hopes. Not that these two guys hit a long way. We know that Dhruv did not carry the last time he went up in the air. Well down leg. And, well, they got to their 80, or could, at the end of 11 overs. So a little behind. Run rate now 7.2. But we have been talking about maybe 160 as par. And if they're below that, then you would favor the chasing team. They have a few good batsmen in their ranks.
Steps out again to cover 1 run. End of the over. It's 79 for 3.
Karnataka Bulldozers 79 for 3 after 11 overs.